Hello, my beautiful people. I hope everybody is doing good and great. Today, I have come to you with a very helpful and very beneficial remedy that is for the frizzy hair. Like most of the time, this is the problem with the women that we have frizzy hair, dry hair, and because of the excessive use of hot water and shampoo or like heat sprays or like the straighteners and curling strategies, we damage your hair a lot. And many people, they have natural frizzy or dry hair, so there are many products in the market that you can use to reduce the frizziness or dryness or the roughness of your hair, and you can turn your hair into smooth or shiny ones. It's not that you are going to use the remedy and it's going to do the wonder in one use. You have to apply various remedies. You have to choose the good shampoo, good conditioner, less chemical free things, so that you can save your hair a lot. It's difficult, but it's not impossible. So I must say that when I was a kid, I was having a lot of pimples on my face. With the growing age, I discovered many remedies, and honestly, I would like to tell you there were many remedies like the use of honey, the use of aloe vera. They have helped me a lot, and the excessive use of water, they have helped a lot in reducing the pimples or in fighting with the acne. So after a lot of findings, I have discovered in Pakistan there these are the shampoos that's name is Haveline. I ordered it from online, but when I was using that, it was okay but not too good. I must say that it was not too good as I was expecting, because it was very expensive. According to Pakistani currency, it was very expensive, but it has not worked too much for me. Like, I honestly, it's a sincere suggestion, or I must say that review. Out of 100, I'm gonna rate it as 20 to 25%. It was very expensive and I thought that it's gonna do magic for me, but this was not the case. And after finishing two bottles, still the my hair, they are still the same. There is no such I must say that there is no such change in that. One bottle is for the oil. They have claimed that they have made the oil with the specific herbs, but I didn't find the oil extraordinary. And on the other, in the other bottle, there is a shampoo that I have ordered, and it was very expensive. And in my whole life of 31 years, this is the first shampoo and the oil that I have ordered, and now I regret it, I must tell you. Last time, when I was working in the school, there was a friend of mine. She told me that there is a remedy that I can use for the reducing the frizziness of the hair, the damaged hair, or the like the, you must say that, when you want silky hair. So there are some of the stuff. First of all, mustard oil, I have to take 2 to 3 spoon. Coconut oil you can take, or you can use olive oil as well. Then almond oil is very important, 1 tablespoon. And the other one is mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon, simple mayonnaise, not the chicken one. And 1 to 2 capsules of vitamin E. Now we are gonna add all the things in a bowl, and we have to mix it well. Firstly, I'm gonna add 1 to 2 spoon of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is very good when you eat it in the breakfast, when you apply it, spread it on the bread. But mayonnaise, really, it works, guys. I must tell you, I have used this remedy 3 times, and after that, many people have said to me who used to come to my home, these ladies have said, now your hair are looking very shiny and very soft. Like, they are not like the bomb that every time it seems that there is an explosion in my hair. Now it doesn't the case, and I must say that I have applied this remedy 3 to 4 times in 2 months, and it has worked. Secondly, I have used 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Then this is the almond oil. Almond oil is a must because it's very helpful. If you do not have mustard oil, you can use olive oil as well. Okay, it's up to you. And thirdly, I am gonna use the coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good, its smell is very good, and it gives you very soft kind of texture. These all oils, they have very beneficial nutrients in them, that can help to increase the length of your hair. They help to reduce the effect of drizziness or the dryness of your hair. And thirdly, vitamin E in many face remedies or in many beauty remedies we use in masks, in moisturizers. This vitamin E, it is very helpful, guys. So it's a beauty ingredient. I'm gonna take 2. Now I have added all the things. I am gonna mix it very well, because when you mix the oil with the mayonnaise, it takes a lot of effort. So guys, if you're gonna make this, you guys have to apply it maximum or minimum 3 times in a month. Like 1 week you guys can have it for 1 time, because it becomes a bit very thinny or runny kind of paste. When you apply in your hair, it will become very oily, because all the oils are there, mayonnaise is there. So you have to do it 2 to 3 times. You have to shampoo your hair to remove all the stuff. But in the first wash you will definitely observe the results. But honest review is that you have to use it maximum 3 times in a month. After that, you guys will definitely thank me later that this remedy has worked for you guys. So after using it, tell me in the comment section. It is an honest review. Do try.